Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Grindr's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Grindr's account, firstly go ahead and open your Grindr application. The official page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Next and then tap on Accept to accept the terms and conditions of Grindr. Enter your date of birth. On the next page, enter your email address and create a password for your Grindr's account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box to receive emails regarding your account, subscription and special offers and then click on Create Account. Now tick mark on the box to verify that you are not a robot. Enter your phone number and click on Send Code for the verification. Enter the code sent to your phone number and tap on Verify. This is how you can create an account on Grindr quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.